Hey guys, welcome back. So you guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how palm oil is made locally, handmade palm oil, manu nugu. Okay, this kind of oil is the best oil out there. The taste is different, like the color when you use it in cooking, and it lasts longer. The taste doesn't fade, it doesn't congeal if that's the word. But yeah, stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, please just click on that subscribe button right now to support this girl. Okay, my name is Faith. Sorry I didn't introduce myself, and I make content around my life, village vlogs, and yeah. So this part of this video is for the people who have access to palm trees. Okay, this is how you know if there is a ripe palm fruit on your palm tree. When you come to the palm fruit, where the palm fruit is, just look down for fresh palm fruit that are just falling from the tree. That's how you know that there is a ripe palm fruit, usually eaten by squirrels. Okay, that's how you know if there is a ripe palm fruit on the tree. Then you have to go look for someone that's going to help you cut it down. Okay, here in my village you have people whose work are to cut down palm fruits from palm trees, palm wine tappers. Okay, so you just have to go look for someone who's going to help you cut it down. Otherwise you can just get your palm fruit from the market, or just have it supplied to you. There are people who sell palm fruit. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after you've gotten your bunches of palm fruits, except you do not get the bunch, except you get the one that has already been sorted. But if what you have is bunches of palm fruits, you want to thresh them. Okay, so what my brother is doing right now is what we call threshing of the palm fruits. The purpose of this is to make it easier for you to pick and sort your palm fruits from the thorns, because like these thorns, if you do not thresh it, it's going to be hard for you to get out all the palm fruits from the bunch of the palm fruit. So you need to thresh it to make it easier to pick. So after threshing the bunch of palm fruits, you want to pack them in a bag, or just store them at a corner and just cover them with a bag and allow them to stay for like a day or two, or maybe 3, depending on how hard it is to get the palm fruits out from the thorn. So when you've checked and it's now easy to get the palm fruit out of the thorn, then you start picking and sorting your palm fruit, just the way I'm doing it. You don't want to throw in the dirt, you just want to sort them just the way I am doing it right here right now. So after sorting your palm fruits, the next thing we want to do is cooking the palm fruits. Okay, we want to cook them on high heat. So transfer your palm fruits into a pot that can contain them and add enough water, and then start adding fire. Okay, and cook until when you know it's done is when you see cracks in the palm fruits. Like when you get some palm fruits and you can see cracks in them, then your palm fruit is properly cooked. Then you can stop adding fire and allow it to cool down. Okay, you can fasten the process of cooling down this palm fruit by spreading it out on any clean surface. Remember, for this kind or this process of making palm oil, you want your palm fruit to be properly cooled down, like very cool. You don't want it hot, so you can spread it out on a surface to make it faster. If not, you can just leave it in the pot and wait till it's all cooled down. So after your palm fruits must have cooled down, the next thing you want to do is mashing your palm fruits. Okay, so now you can transfer it to your mortar, your whatever. Okay, actually in my village there is this local mortar that we use to make this palm oil, but you have to transfer your palm fruits there if you do not have one in your place. Okay, and yeah, the quantity we are making here is quite small, so there is no need trying to transport our palm fruits there. Okay, so we can make it with this bath. So we are using this bath. You just transport everything into your bath, transfer the palm fruit into your bath, and then start mashing them, start pounding them if you're using a mortar, but not to break the palm kernels though, but just to like separate the palm kernels from the palm chaffs and from the palm oil, like so. Okay, you can want to be adding water as you go while you're mashing, so as to make the process easier, and yeah, it doesn't really hurt your foot. Okay, so the next thing to do after mashing your palm fruit is to wash this palm fruit. So you want to use cold water, not like cold, not like ice icy cold water, but something that is cold. Nothing, it shouldn't be warm water, just cold water. Pour it into your basin or whatever you're using to wash your palm fruit. In this case, we're using our big pot. Okay, then you want to start washing out the chaff in the palm fruit. So what you do here is you pack up the palm fruit, the mixture of the palm fruit, of the palm kernel, the chaff, and the oil. Then you want to wash out. While you are washing, you're letting go of the palm kernels, and at the same time you're washing the chaff to get out as much oil as you can. Don't worry about the palm kernel, let it settle there in the pot. I'm going to show you guys how to get that out later. Okay, just keep washing your chaff, letting go of the palm kernels, and yeah, when you've washed it and it's clean enough, then you want to keep it at a corner. You can see the oil coming up here. Okay, so when you've gotten enough oil on the water, you want to gather them towards a particular angle and then just scoop it out with your hands. Try to let go of the water as much as you can. Try to get just the oil. Of course, there's still going to be some water content in it, but I'm going to show you guys how to get out the water content in this oil later. Okay, so this is what you want to do. Just keep repeating this process till you are done washing all your palm kernels. Okay, okay. So now to get out the water content in it, this is what you do. So you just stir it like so. Just keep stirring. Just don't worry, just keep stirring like so. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. After stirring it for a while, then you start transferring it. You can transfer it to the pot now, but yeah, I want to stir it again before transferring it to the pot to make sure like I get off enough water content from it as much as I can. So, but just keep doing this. We're getting to the water now, so you have to be careful. You see that water down there? Now we do this. You see, all those water contents are now down here. Can you see that? All the water contents now are now down here. So you see, we've gotten as much water out of it as we can. Don't worry, we are still going to cook the oil and dry out all the water in it. So So after washing the palm kernel for a while, trying to gather the chaff with your hand may be difficult. So you want to go ahead and use a sieve or anything to assist with that. And yes, this time around, you may find out that you gather some palm kernel while you're gathering these chaffs. These palm kernels are the ones that still have their chaff sticking to them. So you want to go ahead and use your hand and get the chaffs out of the palm kernel. Then you throw the palm kernel back into the water and just keep washing until you no longer have chaffs in the water, or you have little to no chaffs in the water. Then it's time to pack out your palm kernel. After drying this one, after washing it, because I'm going to wash it again, then we dry it and let it dry, then we use it to make fire. Okay, so yeah. So after packing out the palm kernel, you want to go ahead and rinse it with water and then spread it somewhere and let it dry. After drying, the palm kernel is actually edible. You can use it to eat stuff like abacha, okwa. Also, we can go ahead and use this palm kernel in making palm kernel oil. So this is all the oil we made, but then if you check closely, you can still see some water particles in it. So we are going to go ahead and take off the remaining water particles in it and then go ahead to cook this oil. Okay, so like we did before, you want to go ahead and stir your oils just so the water can settle below the oil, and then you go ahead and scoop out the oil into your neat pot that is already on fire, the pot you're using to cook your oil. So go ahead and scoop your oil in there. Make sure not to get water into the oil, but then some water may just go in. Don't worry, it's going to dry out while we are cooking, but then you want to let go of as much water as you can, just so the cooking process is faster. Okay. you guys, the next step right now is cooking this oil until all the water content in it evaporates. Okay, and you guys, this is where the secret to this good tasting and good smelling oil is in the cooking. Okay, you want to keep cooking it. There are going to be different bubbles, stages of bubbles while you're cooking this oil, but you just want to keep cooking it till you start seeing this yellowish kind of bubble like the one you're seeing right now. Okay, and you guys, by this time, everywhere around here you can hear the aroma of this oil everywhere, and like you can already tell from the aroma because it's going to be everywhere. Okay, it's perfectly fried right now, perfectly cooked, and just give me roasted yam and this oil. Oh my god, this is when you know that your oil is okay, when you start seeing this bubble, and then you can take it down the fire. Even when you take it down, like right now it's down the fire, but you can still see the bubbles forming. Okay, then you want to go ahead and sieve your oil with your basket, your local basket. I prefer this iron basket. Okay, just sieve your oil, and then your oil is ready to be used for cooking, for enjoying your local dishes. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two from this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share to someone who would enjoy this kind of content, and yeah, please click on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.